Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the topic of drug abuse. So let's discuss definition and overview. Drug abuse refers to the misuse of drugs or substances for non-medical purposes. It involves consuming illegal drugs or misusing legal drugs. Commonly abused substances include heroin, cocaine, alcohol, and prescription medications. Drug abuse can lead to addiction, a condition where the body becomes dependent on the substance. It often results in physical, mental, and emotional health issues. Substance abuse is different from dependence but can escalate to it over time. People may start abusing drugs due to peer pressure, stress, or curiosity. Drug abuse affects people of all age, genders, and backgrounds. Polydrug use, where multiple substances are consumed simultaneously, is also common. It disrupts the brain reward system, leading to compulsive behavior. So, now we will discuss causes and triggers. Peer influence is a major factor, especially among teenagers. Stressful life events can push individuals towards drug use. Genetic predisposition increases vulnerability to substance abuse. Lack of awareness or education about the dangers of drug contributes. Childhood trauma or abuse is a significant risk factor. Easy availability of drugs escalate the risk of abuse. Mental health disorders like depression or anxiety are linked with drug abuse. Social isolation or lack of support often leads to substance use. Media influence may normalize or glamorize drug use. Escape from emotional pain or reality is a common reason. Now we will discuss effects on health. Drug abuse causes severe damage to the liver and kidneys. Long-term use may lead to heart diseases and respiratory issues. It impairs cognitive functions and memory. Mental health issues like paranoia, anxiety, and depression worsen. Risk of infectious diseases like HIV/AIDS increases through needle sharing. It weakens the immune system, making the body vulnerable to infections. Overdose can lead to unconsciousness, coma, or even death. It affects hormonal balance, leading to fertility issues. Withdrawal symptoms include nausea, insomnia, and mood swings. Users often experience chronic fatigue and malnutrition. Now we will discuss social and economic impacts. Drug abuse disrupts family relationships and social life. It leads to poor academic or workplace performance. Substance abusers often face financial difficulties due to high expenses on drugs. Drug related crimes, including theft and violence, often increase. It results in a loss of productivity in society. Many abusers face stigma and isolation from the community. Families of drug abusers experience emotional and financial stress. Drug abuse impacts children, leading to neglect or abuse in some cases. The burden on healthcare systems increases due to related diseases. Society incurs significant costs for rehabilitation and law enforcement. Now we will discuss prevention and treatment. Educating youth about the dangers of drugs is essential. Parental guidance and monitoring reduce the risk of substance abuse. Early intervention programs can identify and help at risk individuals. Rehabilitation centers provide structured recovery programs. Counseling and therapy address underlying issues causing drug use. Medication assisted treatment helps manage withdrawal symptoms. Community supports groups like Narcotics Anonymous offer long term assistance. Governments can regulate the availability of harmful substances. Strengthening laws and enforcement prevents illegal drug trafficking. Promoting healthy lifestyle like exercise and hobbies diverts focus from drugs. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe of this channel because you will get knowledgeable videos on time to time.